colossal rock towers stab the sky, and ancient monasteries defy gravity. These aren't just cliffs. They're a geological puzzle, a climber's paradise, and a gateway to the divine. Meteora means suspended in air, and these stone giants live up to the name, rising over 1,800 feet above the Thessaly plain. They're like nature's skyscrapers, daring you to climb them. But how did these bizarre formations get here? Buckle up for a trip back 60 million years. Picture an ancient sea covering Greece. Rivers dumped sediment here, layer after layer, until tectonic plates slammed together, thrusting the seabed skyward. Earthquakes and erosion did the rest, carving these pillars like a sculptor gone wild. Some rocks are smooth, others jagged, each one a survivor of nature's chaos. Geologists call it a stone forest, but to adventurers, it's a playground forged by deep time. Now fast forward to today. Those same rocks are your ticket to thrills, and they've got stories to tell. Climbing Meteora isn't for the faint-hearted. These cliffs have drawn daredevils for centuries, from monks to modern rock climbers. Monks hauled stones in baskets dangling over sheer drops, living on the edge, literally. Today, 6 monasteries still cling to these rocks, their frescoed walls hiding tales of survival. Getting to them means tackling steep, winding steps carved into the cliffs. Feel the burn in your legs, the wind in your face, and the rush of standing where few dared to build. It's not just a hike. It's a pilgrimage with an adrenaline kick. But Meteora's real adventure lies in its raw, untamed landscape. Geologists are still unraveling its secrets. Hidden caves riddle the cliffs, carved by ancient rivers. Some say they hold relics from Meteora's first hermits, mystics who lived here before the monasteries. Treasure hunters whisper about a lost cave stuffed with ancient scrolls, but good luck finding it. For climbers, every pillar is a puzzle. Routes like the Pillar of Dreams test your nerve with vertical ascents and heart-stopping views. Hikers, you've got trails weaving through boulder-strewn valleys, where eagles scream overhead and wild thyme scents the air. At sunset, the rocks blaze orange, like they're lit from within. Whether you're scaling a cliff or trekking a path, Meteora makes you feel alive. These rocks aren't just a destination, they're a call to adventure. They've stood through millions of years of upheaval, daring you to test your limits.